The Ringing Cedars, Series 4, Anastasia, Book 1, Vladimir Megre. Cedar is mentioned 42 times in the Bible, even in the Old Testament. The following from the Old Testament speaks of something much more mysterious. King Solomon built a temple from cedar. In order to deliver cedar from Lebanon, he gave 20 cities of his empire to another emperor, Haran, for it. Incredibly, for some construction material, 20 cities. In truth, he had been done another favor. At the request of King Solomon, men were entrusted to him, who knew how to cut down trees. People, who knew how to cut trees. What kind of people are they? What did they know? I heard that even now in remote areas there are old men who somehow they find trees to build with. But then, more than 2,000 years ago, everyone could have known it. They still needed some unusual people. The temple was built. The service began in the temple, and the priests could not perform the church ceremony because of some clouds. The priests watched. What kind of cloud is that? How and from where did he enter the temple? Where is it from in the temple? The cloud was rising. What was it like? Energy? The ghost? What was that phenomenon? And what does it have to do with cedar? The old men spoke of the ringing cedar as a collector of some kind of energy. Even in the rites of consecration of the emperors of ancient Khorasan, a chalice of cedar resin appears. The Druid also has a chalice of cedar resin, and only later was it replaced by blood, by the loss of consciousness of the spirit.